Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at that. I'm in the house with some gorgeous Specter right over here. Timascus handle is a Prestige V4, and I'm gonna do a little bit of maintenance on this fella, but hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this one, because I got it from my buddy Daniel. Thank you so much for sending this gorgeous piece, but there's a couple things I would like to perfect. So one is the detent, which because it's really stiff. So I'm just gonna take care of that. I'm just gonna lighten that up. I'll show you how. And second of all, I'm gonna try to see if we can improve the action, because the Spectre has a legendary action. In this case, probably this is just bone dry and maybe a little bit too tight. So we're gonna try to see if we can improve the action right over there. So let's start grabbing some tools. We're gonna need the T15 Torx bit. We're gonna need the T8 for the handle screws, and it's going to be right over here. So let's go ahead and start to see if we need a couple of yeah, we do. Let me see on this side over here if we need two. No, actually we don't need two screwdrivers, so this guy is just coming out nicely. All right, just remember, guys, take your time when you perform these operations. That's interesting. Here you go. So that's the pivot right there. Let me see if this can come out like that. No, it's gonna be there. So I'm gonna tackle with the T8 the handle screws. So that is one. Comes out. And that is the second one. Ready to rock and roll. Let's do like that. And now just keep this guy pinched. And now let's just gently release it and see if just by wiggling a little bit, actually I'm just gonna flip it this side and just lift that. And the clip also, we want to stay in place like so. And there it is. Let's do like that. So, very good. Gonna remove the blade gently. All right, like so, and the pivot as well. Right, here we are. So just check the inside of this for a second, guys. How cool is this? How clean is this design? Very, very nice. Something not to do is probably to remove this inset liner, which I'm not gonna do. I'm just gonna grab just an alcohol swab like that, and I'm gonna start cleaning the blade. There you go, the tang of the blade, the bevel, the socket of the bearing cage, the other part. I'm gonna clean also like here, just the primary, the micro bevel right there. So blade is done. I'm gonna do the scale. So just clean the spacer, washer kind of thing. This is amazing. It's to prevent, of course, the ball bearings to be touching the Timascus of the handle. Let's not leave any residue here. There you go. So that is done. Let's clean the pivot right over here. Very good. And let's clean also this side over here. Okay. So that is done. Gonna just clean the back spacer as well. And this little screw. All right, next up, so grabbing this tool right over here, which is provided with the box, it's like very small hex. We're gonna adjust the detent by tuning this very little screw right over here. You see the detent right there, and this is just right next to that. So this needs just very small adjustment. I think, if I'm not mistaken, we need to lighten the detent on this guy. Therefore, I believe this guy has to go a little bit further down. So just find a spot which is right over here. All right, and just a little adjustment. So I'm gonna do like a quarter turn clockwise. So this guy is just gonna go inside. So that's a quarter turn. And let's see how it goes. Maybe I made a mistake. I'm gonna have to open it up. I don't remember what is the direction. It's all right. Now, let's see what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this side over here. This is from the show side because it's keyed in on the back, which is great. So this guy can go in like so. There you go. And the spacer, just remember to use the same size you used before. So that is gonna be in like that, just orienting already the pivot. Pretty cool that it's captive. I'm gonna grab some 10 weight nano oil because I found that to be working very well. 3 drops, maybe 4, and the bearing is in. I'm just gonna add a little one more right there, and then we grab the blade, which goes in place. We grab the other bearing, which goes right over there, and another 3 drops. For that, I'm just gonna do one tiny little one on the detent, and that is it, guys. So this guy is gonna go right over here. We're gonna have the clip. So let's just do this. There you go. I didn't really clean this part nicely. Look at the gunk. It is all right. So this guy now can just go in like so. This fella is gonna have to be here. So I am, let's see if I can just move this guy just a little bit so it's kind of like centered. So I can do this thing over here. Usually I do this from the other side, but yeah, it's fine. So this goes in like so, and this also can be lined up like that. This is keyed in, obviously, and this guy is just in like this. All right, just sandwich everything in place. I'll just screw in this fella in my hands and carefully like so. So everything is in place, nothing can fall apart. Now just switching sides, and this handle screw is in. Gentle, gentle, gentle. All right, like so. Second handle screw goes in. Very gentle, very gentle. If it doesn't go, just reverse the thing. You're gonna feel it when it goes inside, you see? There you go. Should be good. Why? So never force anything. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go. If it goes, it goes. You see? That's very nice. That's very good. We're gonna see I can already say that this is pretty loose, definitely. So let's check it now. The detent got stronger, the action got definitely better. But I need to release a little bit of tension. Actually, yeah, it definitely got a little bit stiffer. So the action is just, now we are talking. Now we are in business, right? This is this legendary Specter action that we like, that I like personally. Blade is centered. There's no blade play whatsoever. So I'm just gonna save you the pain, but I'm gonna open it up and just turn it counterclockwise to get a little bit easier deployment mechanism. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned.